In this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from Excel to Smartsheet. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the left-hand side and you want to click on where it says Browse. Now inside Browse, you want to go to the right-hand side and click on the Create button. And then here, it's going to allow you to basically scroll down a bit and you're going to be able to see it's going to say Import over here. Click on Import and then it's going to say Microsoft Excel and CSV. So just click on here. And then from here, you'll basically have to wait for a few seconds for it to create your workspace. There we go. And then you have to select your Microsoft Excel file. To do that, click on Select and find it on your computer. I have it here under Downloads, where it is. There we go. This just basically test spreadsheet. I'm going to click it, press Open, and it's going to start loading, and then click on Continue over here. And as you can see here, it's going to basically show you everything inside your sheet, and you can go ahead and rename it if you want to. I'm not gonna. And then you can just set your primary column over here as well. I'm just going to do name for this one and click on Import. Of course, you can set this up however you want, and when you do this, you'll be able to see, yeah, there we go. I have successfully imported my data from Excel to Smartsheet. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.